Why are you fighting, ladies? Because I'm saying the truth. But it's true. If someone took your kids today, you wouldn't know what to do because you haven't educated yourself around the laws. We are making kids, but we don't know how to protect ourselves and those kids legally. And it's not about having a degree. I showed you several times educating you guys on these topics, but you don't bother to go to Google. You don't know the Child's Act and what it entails and what rights it gives you and how you're protected. If they stop paying maintenance today, you're not going to know what to do because you didn't read the act that I gave you here, maintenance. Yeah, I understand. When they get or want custody, you don't even know what are the requirements or what is the process of getting a custody over umntanakho. When you are being declared as an unfit mother, you don't even know what entails that. When they give you a protection, when there's a protection order against you, you don't even know naleyo how to handle it. Yet we are making kids. And then we get angry when other women call us out. We feel like they are fighting us. When a woman calls you out and says, no, but it cannot be that woyiswa to get this in order in your house, you get mad. You get angry because you are being told the truth. We are inconsistent. You were mad because I made a video of the lady who says that she hasn't seen her kid for 10 months. Everyone stuck to two issues. That there's this Kamo lady, which was a side chick versus wife type of thing. And then that this man has money to buy apparently the whole justice system. Again, a little research would have helped you to understand that there are certain steps you take when that is happening. It's so funny because that story has incredibly many inconsistencies, including that 1 point she knows where the kids are by the granny, 1 point she doesn't know, 1 point there's a break-in and she was away, yet her ID and cards were at home. There are so many inconsistencies, but we don't want to see the inconsistencies because us as women, we want to hear what we want to hear. On a weekly basis, there are women who fight wealthy men, and the women win the cases not because that anything else except evidence. A court cares about evidence. And if there is a judge or any legal person who will put their signature or name on a document while that document is acquired fraudulently, there are certain steps as well to go and report that. If you feel someone bought a judge, it means that regardless of the evidence that was presented, you feel this person was bought. Tina Satanduguti, people are speaking from a privileged point of view because we just put everything under one umbrella. We go to court without facts, we go to court without enough evidence, and then you want people to feel sympathy for you. Court is very ruthless. They care about evidence. And when a person's got money, they can afford to pay a lawyer rather, and that lawyer will do all the research and look for all the loopholes to make that rich person win. And then we're going to say, in SA, people with money win. Yes, in few cases, that does happen. But in most cases, there are many clients who win against wealthy people because the court wants evidence. Evidence. If you fail to produce evidence, you're not going to win that. Then you can't come now and be bitter and say, no, but in South Africa is because you must have money. That money affords you research that you must also be doing on your side if you can't afford a lawyer. There's legal aid. There are human rights lawyers. There are so many pro bono people who are taking on cases. If your story is really, really true, there are people who will take these things on. Tina, we are not factual as women. We are not factual as women. We are very emotional. And that's why we will never get other positions, even at work. Because they are not for emotional thinkers, but logical thinkers. You understand?